We're doing a little bit of logging, trying to make a little money. Right now the truck's broke down, so waiting on the pump for it to come in, and that's everyday life. It's really beautiful. Ironweed's starting to grow, so bloom, so we're going to be mowing here soon. It's about, I don't know, 30, 40 acres on that side of the road. It's all woods, and practically everything on this side is field. Used to be old farm. There's another barn Dad built just to put tractors and stuff in. Our farm's really beautiful. We're just taking a quick tour.
A lot of fun.
Was when we was kids. I was raised in the city.
Always something
on the week, and on the weekends I was raised in the country. Dad bought this 20 acres back here in 1973. We used to stay over on Carlo Road. It's really beautiful. An old truck, old cattle squeezer. Got a lot of farm equipment. We're going to get ready to pull it all out and get some of it back. It all works. Just needs to be cleaned up. What happens when people get old and things get old. And that was the last thing my dad restored, was this old brush hog. We're getting ready to break it out and try her out. Never been ran yet. I hope he did a good job. Well, that gives you a 5-minute tour of our farm. We have ponds, all kinds of motorcycle trails. Look forward to meeting everybody. Hope everyone's having a wonderful life.
Have a good day.
You too, Nick. It's going to be a great day.
Yep.